Hi, in this video series I will show you how to knit socks. I will show you my favorite toe shape, a heel with a flap and a gusset, and how to close the toe with the Kitchener stitch. If you are new to knitting, I also have a few videos about the basics of knitting, like how to cast on, where I show the different steps a bit slower than I do here. So feel free to watch them first before you start to knit your first pair of socks. The yarn that I'm using is a Regia 4-ply sock yarn called Fall Night. The DPNs are Zing needles by KnitPro in 2.5 millimeters. I cast on using 2 needles at once to make the cast on more elastic. To knit socks in the size 37, I cast on 64 stitches, so 16 stitches per needle. You can also cast on 60 stitches, but I like my socks a bit looser. If you want to knit another size, you can find the number of stitches in sock tables online. After 32 stitches, I switch to the next pair of DPNs to cast on the rest of the stitches. After the cast on, put the needles together and make sure not to twist the stitches. Pull out one of the needles on the side that is not connected to the working yarn. Join in the round and work a knit 2, purl 2 ribbing. Continue in knit 2, purl 2 until the cuff is as long as you want it to be. I like to make my cuff as many rounds long as I have stitches on one needle. So in this case, I work the ribbing for 16 rounds. After the cuff is finished, we start to knit the leg. You can choose any pattern you like, but for this simple tutorial, I will work the leg in stockinette stitch. So knit every round until the leg is finished. For summer socks, I like to knit the leg for 16 rounds. Here I will knit longer winter socks, for which I will knit 64 rounds. In the next video, I will show you how to knit the heel cap. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.